In this video, I will show you how to set up Instagram shopping on Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, go to Apps and open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Instagram or Facebook, and you will see different results, including third-party apps that offer Instagram shopping features. However, the best and most reliable option is the official Facebook and Instagram sales channel because Instagram shopping is managed through Meta. Now click on the Facebook and Instagram sales channel and install it by selecting Install, then click Install again as I'm doing, and wait for it to be added to your store. This step is important because Instagram shopping is controlled through Meta Business Tools, which connect both Facebook and Instagram together. After installing and connecting your Meta account, complete the setup through Meta Commerce. Make sure your business manager, ad account, and product catalog are linked. Then sync your Shopify catalog and verify your business details and domain in the Facebook and Instagram channel. Once approved, your products will be ready for Instagram shopping and can be tagged in posts, reels, and stories. Now your Instagram shop is successfully linked with Shopify, and customers can discover and purchase your products directly through Instagram. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel.